Mind is never a problem, mindset is. This is a famous quote said by a famous personality. Hi, I am CS Bhumi Panchal and I am working at JC Shine Company, which is a chartered accountant firm based in Ahmedabad. Today, as a tax expert, I am preparing this video to share my knowledge and expertise for the benefit of all. Tax deducted at source is a topic which consists of technical part as well as practical part. You need to set a flow that how the actual mechanism of tax deducted at source works. I am preparing the videos in that flow only. So rather than jumping onto any practical aspects, one should go in the flow. The link for the previous tutorials is given under the description box. Today, I will be taking the tutorial on how to create TAN registration on Income Tax Portal. There is a prerequisite before proceeding with the TAN registration on the Income Tax Portal. That is, you must already have a PAN registration login on the Income Tax Portal. PAN stands for Permanent Account Number Registration, through which our income tax returns are being filed on year basis. So let's begin. On Google, type Income Tax e-login. The screen would be showing this. So for any type of registration on Income Tax Portal, you need to click on register. Then various user types are mentioned over here. Click on tax deductor and collector. Then enter the TAN number allotted by the Income Tax Department. Then you need to click on Traces website. This will be redirecting you to the Traces website from the Income Tax Portal. You need to click on confirm. Here again you need to mention the TAN number allotted by the Income Tax Department and enter the CAPTCHA code and click on proceed. Here a pop-up message will be coming stating that you haven't filed any TDS returns till now under this TAN number. So you cannot register on Traces right away. So it will be redirecting you again to the Income Tax Portal. I would like to clarify here that there are two types of registrations under the TAN. One under the Income Tax Portal and another is on Traces website. First registration is to be done on the Income Tax Portal, and once you file the return and when it gets processed by the Income Tax Department, then only you can register on Traces websites. How to do registration on Traces website? I would be showing in the later part of my videos, so stay tuned for that. Now when you enter the TAN number, the name would be auto-populated and it would be showing the category of the deductor, that is whether it is a partnership firm or the proprietorship firm or a company and so on. Sometimes it might be possible that the category of the deductor might be showing wrong, so you can change it accordingly. Here it is asking the PAN of the authorized person. In case of a proprietor, it is an individual PAN which needs to be mentioned over here, and in case of the partnership firm or the company, the PAN of the person who is authorized is to be mentioned. Then you need to click on redirect to the e-filing website. Traces website would be taking you to the Income Tax Portal again. Once you are redirected to the Income Tax Portal, you have to fill up the necessary details such as the password, secret question, authorized person details, and the name and the mobile number and the address of the business place is to be mentioned. Then click on continue. The OTP would be sent to your mobile number and the email ID. Important note here, one should always provide the mobile number and the email ID which is on the permanent basis, so that in future it is beneficial that when you forget your password you can reset it. Now you need to enter the OTP received on your mobile number and email ID. Here 90% of the registration is completed. Now you would be receiving a message that you have to approve this registration under the PAN login. I have already mentioned that PAN registration is mandatory before you proceed with the TAN registration. Now you need to log in with your PAN login, and then you have to go to work list and click on for your action. Now you need to click here which is highlighted in the red for the approval. Now again click on 10 which is mentioned in red, and in the comment section you need to type the word approve and then click on the approve. Now here our registration is being successful, and now we can log in through our TAN user ID and password. Sometimes there might be a possibility that while redirecting from income tax portal to Trace's website, there might be a technical error that you are not redirected. So you need to try again. Everyone in the starting faces a problem that is very difficult part, so that I don't know how to do the registration, but you need to try. This is just a mindset which we have created. This is a preconceived notion we have already set in our mind. So I would suggest that you keep trying and keep on repeating and see the videos again and again, so in practical life you do not get any difficulties. And stay tuned for my next video which is regarding how to file TDS returns through software. Before ending, I would like to put a disclaimer that this video is just for the knowledge purpose, and before implementing or taking any steps, you must consult your chartered accountant or tax consultant. Thank you very much.